my business. Sister Ola, what's wrong with you? Sister Ola, I'm not comfortable anytime I see you like this.
Akogo, I'm fine. I just need to be left alone.
How can you be okay when you're like this? So, I should go?
I will be glad if you do that.
You're the princess of Amukwe community. Whoever you want and whatsoever you want, just mention it. And you will have it standing right here. So, moving up and down in thoughtful silence like this does not make any sense to me.
I like him.
I know you like him. And that's why I'm sounding like this.
That young man inspires my spirit.
Then go for him. I'll be obliged to go and deliver your message to him right now.
Do you think he likes me?
You're the princess of Amukwe community. You are not like every other maidens in this community. Immunity covers you, and that's what makes you different. You do not choose whoever you want to be with or life partner by feelings, but by choice.
Ojadele.
I bow before you, princess of Amukwe community.
Fetch me Mbaka the dancer at once.
At your service, my princess.
Now you're acting like the princess of Amukwe community that you are.
Go where? I am not going anywhere. I am very angry right now. Why would they be sending us to go and fetch firewood and fetch water for them? When they have palace maids? Why would they be doing that? For their king and their family? Look, I don't like it. To be honest with you, I don't like it.
You're sounding like I like it too. I don't like it. I mean, we came here to work and not to serve the royalty.
Do you know why I'm saying this? It's because I will not in my entire life do that again. I will not.
We'll come back from work. We won't even rest. We'll still go and fetch water for the king and his entire family.
Can you imagine the nonsense? You know too well that in our community, no one fetches water for the royalty except the palace maids.
And if I may ask, What is the essence of the palace guards and maids they have in the palace if they still need us to fetch water for them?
Do I know? I have no idea.
I wish we have the power to refuse them. But you and I know we don't.
If you don't have the power, I do. Excuse me.
I bow before you, Father.
My daughter, how are you doing?
Father, I'm not fine.
What is the matter with you? Why are you not fine?
Father, all is not well with Sister Ola, and she has refused to speak up to me.
God!
Yes, my king.
Fetch Princess Ola for me at once.
Yes, my king.
Never mind. Let her come, I will find out what the problem is.
I bow before you, the princess of Ameko community.
Speak.
The king demands your presence at once.
Tell my father that I will join him soon.
Is she coming? Is she coming?
Yes, my king. Greetings, my queen.
I bow before you, Father.
My beloved princess.
Listen, Sister Ola.
Sit.
Thank you, Father.
Go ahead and speak to your father, the king of this kingdom, the great Amokwe kingdom. Whatever that is troubling you will be solved here and now.
My father, I am fine. Nothing is troubling me.
She's not fine.
Are you okay?
But she said she is fine. Why are you bothered?
My father, I am fine.
My princess, why did you lie to your father?
I don't want him to get involved.
Why? Why don't you want him to be involved? Are you not even supposed to tell him once and get this little rat out of your way?
Chika,
My princess.
I am the princess of Amokwe community. I can handle my case. That is, if there is any. Because I do not consider this as one.
You cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual.
Wash my feet.
You cannot fast friendship, you cannot fast sweetness, cause all these things are natural.
No. I'm thinking of contracting the maidens to come and work on that our farmland along the road, the river road. It's bushy. What do you think?
Bringing people is not the problem, it's just the money. I will pay them.
The money to pay them?
You don't have the money. If you have, bring it. For now, I don't have any.
We'll look for a way of getting money to do it because we won't allow this
bill to be sold. You're welcome, royal god of Amokwe Kingdom.
So what do we owe this visit?
The princess of Amokwe community demands for your presence in the palace now. Any problem? I wouldn't know. I'm only a messenger.
No. Okay, no problem. We have heard you. Go and tell the princess that he's coming. He will soon join her.
No. The order was to fetch him alongside with me.
Yeah. Okay, kita.
Let's go. Let's go. Wanna kaiga? But you're a blues. Thank you, Jim, on this.
Be safe, eh?
Okay.
She'll come back and meet me here. What is wrong with this girl? Huh?
She's coming already.
Huh?
She's coming already.
Miriam, Mama, where are you coming from?
Mama, I went out.
I know you went out. And that's why I'm asking you where you are coming from.
Mama, what sort of question is this now? Is it that I can't go out without your permission?
Ah! Are you talking to me like that?
Come, is it mother you are talking to that way? Are you okay?
Don't mind her. I know you went out to see Mbaka, who does not do anything in this village apart from dancing around. What is wrong with you? Huh?
Apart from that, Mama, is Mbaka not older than her? Eh?
Wait. What are you both trying to say? Are you trying to say I have something intimate with Mbaka?
Who cares? I don't care if you have something intimate to do with him or not. I want you to stay away from that young man. Did I make myself clear?
Mama, he's just my friend.
Shut up!
Mbaka,
My princess.
Why Kongo? How are you?
I am fine.
You're welcome to the palace.
Oh, thank you.
Let me start by commending you. You are a very good dancer.
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome. Can I ask you a question?
It's okay. Yeah.
That girl I saw you with, who is she to you?
Oh, she's my friend.
Your friend or your girlfriend?
No, not really, but we are very close anyway.
Okay, sounds nice. So, Mbaka, I want you to dance for me too.
My princess, I would have loved to, but the Ogene has stopped.
And who are they beating the Ogene?
They are Amuku boys. That's their age grade group. They're preparing for their New Yam festival.
Okay. I cannot wait to see you dance on the D-Day.
Of course you will see.
Mbaka.
My princess.
Come with me.
To the palace.
Yes.
Are you washing it?
No, not washing. When it gets wet, you can hear the sound well.
Okay.
But if it is dry, it will be sounding. Okay, we're fine now. Now, before you start, you hold it like this. Hold it like this. Then this hand over here like this. And you put it like this. Then you put
Let me try. Say, I'll hold you like this hand.
Open your hand.
Like this.
Then this one goes here.
Like this.
No, the other one, this small one.
This is.
No, these two hands.
Yeah. Like
Press it down.
Alice.
Add first. Wait. Don't cover your mouth. Wait. Press it in. I can't allow your lips to touch the down. Okay, watch me. Ma, you're too much.
I want you to chase me. You can't catch me now. Yes.
That is what we are doing now.
Yes. You have to change the game. You have to chase me. So to get it.
Look at game changing now. You want me to chase you, eh?
Yeah.
You want me to chase you?
I want you to chase me.
Okay. Let me take you the fruit now.
No! You have to take me to water.
Oh, stop this now. Let's learn this thing.
Yes, yeah. Oh. Such a good and caring man. I will not stay away from you. I won't. I will not do it.
Why is she asking me that question? Is she jealous or something?
What is it? Who is after you?
Sister Olafe on the road.
What?
Yes.
Dad! Go after her. Go and bring my daughter back immediately.
I'll start going now.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye.
Take care. Oh? Bye.
Akungo, you're awake?
Yes.
When did you wake up?
Just now.
Okay. Are you hungry?
No, I want to talk to you.
Okay. About what?
I had a dream about you, and it's a bad one. You were suffering from epilepsy. We were coming back from somewhere and you fell on the road. So we ran back to the palace to call father.
And then what happened?
He ordered his guys to go with me so that we bring back to the palace. And that's when the dream ended.
I was suffering from epilepsy?
Yes.
Akungo, what are you doing up?
Akungo, why are you crying?
Did you just ask me that question?
Yes.
Can't you see the severe pain our mother is passing through?
My sister, I understand. But this is not the time for you to cry. This is the time for us to pray to the gods on behalf of our mother.
I had a dream about mother.
A dream?
Yes.
What about it?
She died. Died. Starla, why are you looking at me like that?
She had a dream about our mother's death, and it came to pass. Let it not be that I'm going to suffer from epilepsy soon.
Sister Ola.
Hey. Yes. It's okay. I'm fine. Alright? Thank you so much for the revelation. Thank you.
Okay.
You cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual. You cannot fast friendship.
I, Princess Ola, suffering from epilepsy. What kind of gift is that? Oh, please, I don't want that rubbish revelation. I don't want it at all. I don't want it.
Cause all these things are natural. You cannot use your power to control someone's feelings. It's impossible. You cannot use your position and make someone to love you. Open no. You cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual. You cannot fast friendship, you cannot fast sweetness, cause all these things are natural. You cannot use your power to control someone's feelings. It's impossible.
You are wonderful. See how you're wiggling your waist.
Forget about your intimidating spirits. I'm a very good dancer.
Okay. That's good. You're welcome.
Thank you. Where's Mama?
She just stepped out. Yes, not too long ago.
Okay.
So what did you bring for me?
The question should be, what did you keep for me?
You know, I always keep something for you. Get feature. What do you want? Aja. Okay. Why is your face like that? Is it because of what I told you?
Why are you just telling me now? Is it because I came to your house?
If I had not wanted to tell you, I wouldn't have told you.
What does she want from you?
Nothing, just that.
She likes you.
What do you mean by she likes me?
I am a woman. I know when a woman lusts over a man.
Come on, stop all these your insinuations. It's far from the truth.
And what if it becomes reality? Are you going to accept her offer?
Stop worrying yourself. Don't be afraid. You won't lose me. Okay?
I won't lose you.
Yes.
Are we lovers?
Mama, how are you doing here? I've been calling you and you are here all alone. What happened?
What happened? Neka. Yes. Can I confide in you?
Of course.
I'm just coming from Mbaka's house now and something happened.
I hope he didn't try to touch you.
No!
Because I won't take it from anybody.
No.
Okay.
If he tried to touch me, I would have known what to do.
Okay, what happened? Talk to me, what happened?
Relax. He said the princess invited him to her place.
And?
The princess asked him if we are dating and he said no.
Wow, I love that answer. And?
I was mad at him. But why didn't he tell me all this while? while he was trying to calm me down, he said something.
He said what? He said what?
He said I should not be afraid that I will not lose him.
That you will not lose him?
But I asked him if we are lovers and he said yes.
Mirima, listen to me. This is your opportunity. Your chance to walk away from him. Huh? Yes. The Princess Ola I know is a very wicked and heartless princess. She's the one who rules this kingdom. Whatever she tells her father is what her father does. And for her to ask Mbaka such question, that simply means she's interested in him.
So what do you suggest I do?
Rumors are flying around this kingdom that the princess killed her mother.
Hey! Nigga! Leave my mouth! Why will you say things like that now?
Oh, you've not heard? Okay.
See, my problem right now is I love Mbaka. I love him so much.
You are still talking about love. You are still talking about love, Mirima. Let me ask you this question. Mbaka and your life, which one do you love most? Answer me, which one do you love most? Which one do you love most? Mbaka, your life. Loving her. Come, let's go and pick things inside. Let's go!
You cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual.
I brought before you the princess of Amoko community. What do you seek? Your lunch is ready.
Go. I'm not hungry.
Wait.
Before you leave, there's something I would love to discuss with you.
Sit.
My younger sister had a dream.
Okay, dream about who?
About me. She dreamt where I was suffering from epilepsy.
What?
Yes. And her dreams always come to reality.
Which day did she tell you about this dream?
Today.
Did you tell your father about it?
No. I didn't tell him.
Well, if you ask me, I'll say you tell your father about it. Because sometimes they are just mere dreams, and sometimes they are revelations. Okay? So, don't worry yourself too much. Is there any other thing you would like me to know?
Nothing, you can go. Thank you.
You cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual. You cannot fast friendship, you cannot fast sweetness, cause all these things are natural. You cannot use your power to control someone's feelings. It's impossible. You cannot use your position and make someone to love you.
I bow before you, my father.
It shall be well with you, my princess.
Thank you, father. Please, can I have a word with you?
Oh, I'll be so glad to hear whatever you have to say, my princess.
Thank you, father. I heard you have cabinet meeting.
Yes, you're right, my princess. I actually have a meeting today. I want to discuss with my cabinet members a lot of things that concerns the forthcoming New Year festival.
Please ask him to go.
You know, I will always do whatever that you do. God! Excuse us. Yes.
Father, I know about the meeting. That is why I've come to ask you, why don't you behave like other kings?
How do you mean, my princess?
Father, the last time I visited my friend, Princess Zara, I was jealous of her, honestly.
Oh, Princess Zara of Mbauku Kingdom.
Yes, Father.
And if I may ask, why were you jealous of her?
During her birthday, the maidens of Mbauku community gifted her beautiful jewelries. That order came from her father. The women of Mbauku community gifted her beautiful wrappers. And that order also came from her father. The elders gifted her large quantity of farm produce. As I speak to you right now, she has over 200 goats, which was gifted to her by the elders of Mbauku community. And that order also came from her father.
My beloved princess,
Father,
whatever that gives you joy or that will give you joy is my priority. I want you to tell me now. Whatever you think, whatever you want the people of Amokwe Kingdom to make available for you, and I will assure you that it must be done. Mention anything.
Father, I want the maidens of Amokwe community to gift me beautiful jewelries, expensive ones. I also want the women to gift me beautiful wrappers. And then, Father, I want the elders of Amokwe community to gift me farm produce and goats. These are the requests from the princess of Amokwe community.
My lovely princess, I remember those old good days when my father used to say that the moment you throw the bone out, you can sit back and watch the battle between the dog and the spirits. Consider it done.
Thank you, my father.
Whatever that will give you joy. Consider it done. My
you cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual. You cannot fast friendship, you cannot fast.
My love, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Talk to me. My love, who made you cry?
It's the princess.
The princess. What did you do to her? Talk to me. Say something, please.
I She...
Talk to me. What happened?
Will you wake up? Why are you shouting Amadio out?
What's wrong with you? Why did you wake me up? Do you know the important information I was about to get now? Do you know? Please just let me be. Let me go back to sleep. Just let me be. Let me go back to sleep and see if I'll get this information.
Will you stand up from there, Joe? You even want to sit down and sleep again?
Hey, why are you an enemy of progress? Why? What is wrong with you? Is it now a crime to sleep in my own father's house?
This girl. Wait, am I the one you are talking and pointing at like that? It's not your fault.
Yes, you are the one. If you know the damages you've caused by not allowing me to get this information, you won't be talking like this.
Whatever information you are getting from there is none of my business. Just from here, go straight and wash those plates. Yes, because I need to dish food.
Because of plates, that's why you woke me up. Because of plates, you didn't allow me get this information I was about to get. Because of plates, Just imagine. Is this thing fair? Is it fair?
I'm even talking, you are talking.
Come back here!
Come back here! No, let me go and come back and meet those plates there. You will see what I'll do to you today. Nonsense.
Mirima!
Why didn't you wash those plates I asked you to wash?
Why?
I'm talking to you. Why didn't you wash the plates I asked you to wash them?
I'm talking to you and you're walking away. This girl, you pushed me. You're very stupid. You're very stupid. I should leave you. I should leave you. Stop! I should leave you. Stop! This girl, you are being stubborn.
Calm down.
Calm down.
Okay, I'm calm. I finished cooking and I asked her to wash plates and she refused.
What? Yes. Mirima, is that true?
I was tired. I mean, I just woke up. I want to have my strength before I wash the plates.
What? Come on, will you shut up? Is that why you did not wash those plates? Mirima, I've been noticing the way you talk to your elder sister. And I'm not happy about it. You better change. Because if you talk to her next time like that, I'll deal with you. Oh yeah, go right now and wash those plates. Go!
Go! Nne, you need to warn her.
Shut up. Must you fight?
I'm sorry.
Why didn't you complain to me first?
She started it first, though.
Shut up, go and join her. Go and join her! Shut up, go and join her! What do you call it? You better fight it. What is it? What troubles you?
My son, what is it? What is it? The only thing that does not have solution is death. Whatever it is, my son, tell me. Say it. We can put heads together and bring a solution to it.
The princess of this kingdom is making advances at me.
Ezioku! Hey! Ezioku!
Hey!
My son, of all the men in Amokwe community, the princess chose you as the chosen one.
What do you mean by the chosen one? I don't understand.
My son, listen. If you marry the princess now, automatically you will become the king of this kingdom. Because the Igwe does not have a male child. Yes!
And that's the reason you're dancing, Mama. Mama, what makes you think I will reciprocate to the advances of the princess? Talk more of marrying her.
Stop your mouth. What is wrong with you? Have you ever seen anyone that they will put a sugar in his mouth and he will spit it out? Have you ever seen anyone?
Mama, I have not seen, but I will be the first to start it.
Okay, now, can you give me just one reason? One reason you don't want to marry the princess. What is your reason?
I can't even find any.
You can't find any?
I don't know what my reason is.
Ifugonian that you're not okay. That something is definitely wrong with you. How
can you be doing this? Hey, Mbaka. Biko. Eh? Hey, Dogo Biko. Oh, Biko. Oh. Eh?
Okay, what is it now?
Don't turn her down now. She said she wants you. She wants you. You're the chosen one.
Well, you're about telling me what she did to me and me cry. Before my sister woke me up.
Your sister woke you up from sleep? Like without any information?
Yes, so. I wanted to go back to sleep to see if I can continue from the dream. She didn't allow me. That's why I called her.
She didn't allow you to go back to sleep?
Why would she do it like that?
See, I can't cry for anybody in this community.
I know you can't cry for anyone in this community. But I just needed to know what she did to you that made you cry. Dreams are revelations, you know.
Some dreams, not all.
Whatever. Whatever. Okay.
People of Amokwe community, gekwaru nti ozo. A message from the Igwe Ekwedike 1 of Amokwe Kingdom. I've sent an order to all the fathers in Amokwe, the mothers in Amokwe, and all the maidens in Amokwe community. In case it's able, every maidens in this kingdom are going to present a jewelries, 3 different ones, for the king in our coming New Year festival. The second one, all the mothers of Amokwe community are going to present 3 wrappers for the princess on the same day of our New Year festival. And the third one, all the fathers in Amokwe Kingdom are going to present their farm produce, including the she goats, on the same day of our New Year festival. People of Amokwe, why don't you?
My dear friend.
Yes?
This community is gradually turning into something. How can the king give such an order to his people?
My dear, you're talking as if you're not in this community. Do you think that is the king that gave such an order? It is obvious that his special and almighty daughter, the princess, asked him to say whatever he said.
So the king cannot say no to that girl?
The love and over-trust the king has for that girl is alarming. I heard she's the heir apparent to the throne.
But it's not fair. Yes! How can she give such an order? Why? Like, these people we are talking about, they don't even have money to pay us, not to talk of buy jewelries and wrapper. No, it's not good. Odiroma.
Is that the only thing you heard? Now let me tell you. She requested that their fathers will also bring their farm produce to her. And she goat. Is that not being wicked?
And no one could stop her.
Oh, if it's you, will you stop her? Do you want to be buried alive or banished?
Close your mouth. You know me. They don't cover me. I will talk. Yes! What rubbish!
Please, don't talk before you land us into trouble. Let's go back to our work. Bikokwa. Let's go now. Ha.
Oh, but it's not good.
Please, let us face why we are in this village, oh. Please, oh. And leave the matter for them.
Mother, so, is it that no one can challenge the king?
My dear, no one.
How can the king wake up one morning and pass such order? Who will do it?
It's an order from the king. So everybody will do it, including you and I. Yes.
Nee, I don't understand. What if I don't have? Should I go and steal?
It's an order from the king now. So the king does not care whether you have it or not.
The king is not a good person at all. King who doesn't care about his people's condition. He's not a good king. Mother, what do you think?
No, I'll be thinking, I don't think all those things the town crier said is an order from the king. Yeah, that his wicked daughter is the brain behind that. Yes, I can testify to that.
Anyway, let me not talk too much. Let her sit and wait for me to come and give her our gift. She will see gift. Let her wait for me. Hey, can I go and get my food, please?
Did you hear the announcement made by the town crier?
Yes, so I heard it. And I laughed. Because I know not everyone will be able to provide those things as mentioned.
Even if everyone will be able to provide it, why would the king make such order, knowing how expensive things are now?
We don't even have goats. And I'm not going to the market to buy because the king says otherwise.
We have, but on that day I'll make sure it doesn't leave our compound. And as for the jewelries, I don't see myself as Amokwe maiden to do such a thing.
Your sister is the first daughter. Greetings, royal guard of Amokwe.
Greetings, royal guard of Amokwe.
It shall be well with you. Mbaka.
Yes?
I was on my way to your house.
I hope all is well.
All is well. Your presence is needed at the palace by the princess of Amokwe community.
Makaginizi?
I wouldn't know. I'm only a messenger.
Okay, I'll go home now and get prepared. I'll be there soon.
Well then, I shall take my leave now.
My dear, let me go. I'll see you soon. Okay?
I bow down before you, princess of Amokwe community.
It shall be well with you.
You see, my princess, I'm here to wash your feet.
Go on.
I bow before you, princess of Amokwe community.
Where is he?
I met him on the road, and after delivering the message, he said he has to go and get prepared.
Okay. Wait. Who did you see him with?
My princess, I saw him with Mirimma, Oyibo's daughter.
Baka, if you cherish me, please answer her call, please.
I do not want to go there. I don't want to go there. See, Princess should just stay away from me and everything that concerns me.
Baka, am I the one you're doing this to? Please now.
Oh, okay, let me ask you, why do you want me to go there? Why?
Why?
Why does she want you to go where? How about Monkey? Am I not talking to someone?
Mama, the princess sent for him and he doesn't want to answer her call.
Eziokwu. Mbaka, is it true? Chinekeme. So it's true. It's true that you want to use your own hand to invite calamity upon yourself? Mbaka, why? Have you ever heard that in this Amokwe kingdom, that anyone refused to answer royalty call or even invitation? Go and answer the call. No one turns down royalty. Go and answer the call. Have you ever heard that? Mbaka.
Baka, do it for me, please. Please.
Go answer your call.
Mbaka the dancer.
My princess.
I want you to dance for me.
You want me to dance for you today?
Yes. Or can't you dance for me?
Oh, why not? I can. I can do that. Just that I am not prepared for today.
Okay. So when will you be prepared?
Tomorrow will be fine for me.
Okay. Tomorrow then, I'll be waiting.
Okay. I have to go now.
Good.
You cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual. You cannot fast friendship, you cannot fast sweetness, cause all these things are natural. You cannot use your power to control someone's feelings. It's impossible. You cannot use your position and make someone to love you. Oh, queen, no.
Do you know, I had the same dream this time. And it was in the market square. She fell.
Did you tell her about it?
I did not.
But you know you need to tell her.
It doesn't make any difference. I mean, it does not make any difference. But if my father comes back, I will tell him about the dream.
Do you think something will happen to her in the future?
I don't really know. But he said dream is revelation.
The gods of Amokwe community will not allow such things to happen.
He say, please, can you get me something to eat?
Alright, my princess. I'll do that.
Okay. How are you? This is not only come and dance for me. The princess wants to use this opportunity to tell him her mind. Gods of Amukwe community. Please, I don't want to lose Mbaka. Protect him for me. Don't let my dream come true. Royalty. Why is it that I'm not from a royal home? All this nonsense wouldn't have been happening. No problem.
My princess.
Yes,
Did you enjoy the dance?
of course I did. I enjoyed myself. As a matter of fact, I felt it.
Mbaka is a good dancer.
Of course.
Everybody knows.
He's a very good dancer. And you know what? Mbaka knows exactly what he's doing. And I like him.
You like him or you love him? Which one?
Honestly, I love him.
But he's a really good dancer.
He's a perfect dancer. Did you see the way he was just moving his hands, his legs at the same time? He was shaking his waist.
I don't see that one. But if I saw that one now. I'm not Greetings, my princess of Amukwe community.
Greetings, my princess.
What are you doing with him? Is it that you did not hear me or you chose to ignore me?
My princess, we're just...
I wasn't referring to you. Didn't you hear what I said?
My princess, I did not choose to ignore you, but I was just having a nice time with him.
Get out. Now! You told me that you both have nothing intimate with each other.
Yes, I did.
Why is she always close to you?
Nothing really going on between us, just that we like each other.
I forbid you to say that before me. The next time you will say such, Mbaka, I, the princess, will punish you.
I'm sorry, my princess.
Follow me. Let's take a walk.
I'll try you, my princess.
Follow me. Please, can you smile? Thank you.
I bow before you, princess of the community.
It shall be well with you. Sit.
Thank you, my princess.
Mirima,
my princess.
I summoned you here because I like you. If not, I would have passed my judgment on you. I want you to do something for me.
What is that, my princess?
I want you to stay away from Mbaka. I like him, and I want him to be my man. So please, stay away from him.
Yes, my princess.
Do you need something? Like a payoff?
No. No, my princess.
Are you sure?
Yes, my princess.
Very well then. I hope I have made myself clear. You can go.
Are you okay? Why are you here shedding tears? Oh, you don't want to talk to me?
Nee. What's wrong with you?
I don't know. She has been crying.
What is wrong with you?
Look at
Mirima! What is wrong with this girl?
I don't know.
Did she go out today?
I don't know, Nee. I don't know.
Mirima! Mirima!
I was on my way to your house.
I hope all is well.
All is not well, oh. What did you do to my sister?
What did I do to your sister? I don't understand.
Yes, no, because she has been crying since she came back home.
She's been crying?
Yes.
Who beat her?
I don't know. That's why I was coming to your house, at least to hear from you. Because she has refused to speak.
I was actually going to pick something there before coming to your house to see her actually. What happened?
Something is wrong somewhere. And I need to find out. Please, let her.
What is going on? She's crying. Is it crying? Why didn't you tell me she invited you?
Does it make any difference?
Is that how you're putting it? Does it make any difference?
How do you want me to put it? Huh? When you can boldly tell her that you have a girlfriend?
You want me to tell her that I have a girlfriend? Or you're my girlfriend and you know the implication if I do that?
Really? Then stay away from me. The first day she asked you, what did you tell her? That we are just friends. Huh? What do you expect from her?
Okay. I am not going to tell her that you and I are lovers.
Is it not too late? The truth is what you would have told her the first day, not now. It's more like medicine after death. Please. Mbaka, I love you so much. And I can't afford to lose you.
I love you too, and I can't trade my love for you. Okay?
Shizzy. Hey, hey. Greetings, sisters of the community.
Greetings, our princess.
What is going on here? I'm asking you both, what is going on here? Mirima, a stubborn fly follows the corpse into the grave. And you, what did you tell me she is to you?
A friend, but...
But what? Are you both playing games on me?
No.
No.
No, my princess.
We're not.
Mirima, stay away from my man. Now get out. Now! Mbaka, why are you stubborn?
I'm sorry, my princess. My princess, if you don't mind, I would love to ask you a question.
Ask.
Why did you call me your man?
But does that mean that that young girl cannot leave the man alone? Even after he made it clear that they are just friends?
Chika, you and I know that they didn't say the truth. Why can't the princess let the young man breathe? We have so many men in this community. She should choose one.
Well, show the princess that particular man in this Amokwe community that can dance more than Mbaka. Then you see her going after him. What are you saying?
You see what I'm saying? She wants to go for a man she didn't make inquiry about. Does it make sense? It doesn't make any sense. She should let the young man and the young girl be.
Royalty is always number one. And whenever royalty chooses, it does not ask whether the choose is already chosen.
Okay, no problem. Let the young girl face her destiny.
You see this thing you said now? I'm going to tell the princess. Definitely.
Chika,
if the princess...
see, don't worry, I'll share my food with you. Please now, don't do this.
Hey,
Chika.
I don't share food. I used to take all. Which one is you?
Oh yeah, I'll give you everything. I'll give you everything.
Please. It's not that you come. I'm not promising anything.
Chika.
Come back here. Mbaka.
Huh?
Come back here. Mbaka.
Huh?
Dance for me.
Ewu.
Yes. Dance for the princess of Amokwe community.
Mirima. Hi, can I get one here and cap on? Eh?
Mbaka.
Eh?
Did anything happen to my sister?
She saw me with the princess.
Mbaka. Mbaka, for the sake of my sister's life, please let her be. Mbaka, you are a man. There are so many things you can do and go scot-free. But if she tries it, she will not. Please, let her be.
Nothing will happen to her. Okay? Nothing will happen to her, so stop being scared. I just want to see her face before I leave. Mirima, please, I'm begging you, please.
Mirima! 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 Mbaka. Mbaka, you need to leave this minute. Leave here before my mother and my sister has returned.
But I want to see her face before I leave.
Oh.
Please.
I said you should leave. You're here telling me you want to see her face. Mbaka, leave. Mbaka, I'm losing it now. Leave. Mbaka, leave now. Mbaka, leave. Mirima! Mirima, Samina, is me your sister? Mbaka! Mbaka! Mbaka, leave my sister alone! Eh? She's not the only maiden in this community. Anyway, Mirima! Hey! Mirima!
You cannot use your power to control someone's feelings. It's impossible. Yeah. You cannot use your position and make someone to love you. Oh, queen, no.
Father. 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 Father, you're crying.
What is it, my daughter?
Father.
Why are you running?
Father, do kings cry?
Kings cry?
Yes.
No, kings don't cry.
But I saw you crying just like now. I saw you crying just now.
You saw me crying?
Yes.
How? Where? When?
Okay, I saw you in my dream. You were crying. But when I wanted to ask you what was wrong, I woke up.
That was a dream. Kings don't cry. That was a mere dream.
But you cried.
My dear, it is not done. Kings don't cry. Kings don't shed tears. It was a dream, so let it go as a dream.
Are you ready to face any judgment passed by the princess?
I'm ready.
Mbaka, it is not a question of saying it with your mouth. Are you ready to face banishment?
Mama, I am ready.
Mbaka, Nemanya. Nekwa babu. Nekwa babu maja diropia. Mbaka! Mbaka, nekwa babu maja diropia. I have said my own. Nerima, let me tell you something. That does not love. And from today, I won't be talking about this issue again. I mean, you are dealing with royalty, not commoners.
And from my findings, you are the one that doesn't want to let go. You know who the princess of Amope is. She's no nonsense princess. And you need to make haze while the sun shines.
And from today, I don't want to see that young man in this compound again. Did I make myself clear? Did I make myself clear?
Mama, yes.
Better.
What's so special about this Mbaka? Is Mbaka not old enough to be your father? In this community, we have good, handsome men that can take care of you, that will love you and provide for you. Ah, my sister, you need to think wisely. Leave Mbaka. Mbaka is not the only man in this community.
Yeah? Organic. Where is your son?
My son, he's not around.
Oh, he went out?
Yes, he
So
went
where?
out. We don't know. I don't know his whereabouts. Is anything the matter?
Yes, so.
What is it?
There's big problem.
What is the problem? What is it, Nnam?
Oh, what is it? You are talking as if you don't know what I'm about to say.
Yeah, how can I know what you're about to say if you have not told me? It's when you tell me I will know what you came here to say now.
Tell your son to stay away from my daughter. Let him face the princess who has chosen him. Yes!
Okay. I will deliver your message to my son.
Good.
But Nnam, have you told your own daughter to stay away from my son?
Yes, oh. I've done that, oh. I've done that. So tell your own son to stay away from my daughter. I will come to warn him again, oh.
You will not come.
Yes.
You tell your own daughter to stay away from my son.
You don't even need to tell me.
Better.
You don't need to warn my daughter.
You don't need to warn my son.
Warn your own son.
Equally warn your own daughter.
Warn your own son.
Warn your own daughter.
My daughter is still small.
Madam, warn your own daughter. Warn your own daughter.
I don't want to have issue with you.
Warn your own daughter.
I don't want to have issue with you.
Warn your own daughter. You know the issue. You and who is having
like
issue?
Mother, like son.
Exactly. Like daughter, like mother. Son. Idiot. Look at you. Is it not your daughter that is running after my own son? You have the effort to come and start shouting on me in my own house. Let me see your leg here, Daddy. If I will not break it to pieces.
All is not well in our home. But no one cares to know. No one cares to pay attention to my dreams. What could bring my father to cry? The king, Ekwedike I of Amoikwe community. No, it must be a strong one. But because I was the one who had the dream, no one seems to believe it. No problem.
It is true that people are not supposed to be talking while eating. But I just have to ask this little question. Tell me the truth. How are you enjoying this food?
Delicious. Father is delicious.
Oh. Sorry.
Careful.
Once both of you are fine.
So tell me, our new yam festival, what are you going to do? Are you going to dance for us?
What do you think I would do?
Dance or sing?
Okay, what kind of dance do you think I would dance that day?
Depends on you.
Don't worry, just wait and see what I will do.
So how's the entrance going to be?
I'll take everybody on our ways. First of all, you see me. Everybody will be shocked. Don't worry. I'm on Namgo. Just wait and see. Okay?
You're really good in this farming work.
My dear, a man shouldn't be lazy. A man should be hardworking.
Okay.
What? What is it? What is that? Did you see anything around?
No.
Hold on.
What's that? What's that?
Don't worry, Ngokochaya kita no ya no ku. E man fuzi ozo. Where?
You cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual.
Hey.
You cannot fast friendship,
Yeah.
you cannot fast sweetness,
Yeah.
cause all these things are natural.
Ne, greetings.
Nigga.
Greetings, Mbaka.
How are you?
You are welcome, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Mbaka, is my sister Mirima not here?
No, she's not here.
We are looking for her. She left.
Escorted me back home, then after a little while I saw her off.
Then where is she? Because she's not back.
You went to the farm with her.
She escorted me back home here. I saw her out.
Mbaka.
Mama.
What is wrong with you? Ida no kwante. Eh? What is it, Mbaka? Mbaka! Mbaka!
Mama Mbaka. Someone Mbaka.
Ha! Mbaka idi ya melo.
Ife mmadụ metara n'ụwa ojili isi ya wee bulu efi na nwere ọdụ uji ya na chunu iji o jei omegbu nwogbenye chetakwa na chi nwogbenye mụ anya n'oyi o metara bulu ife mmadụ metara n'ụwa ojili isi ya.
want us to run away from this village.
You want us to run away from this village? I mean, this community as a whole?
Yes.
And you think that's the best thing to do?
Yes, that's the best thing to do. If we run away, we can establish ourselves, get married and give birth to children.
And after we come back, what do you think will be our fate?
We won't come back. We will stay there forever.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Why are you asking me this question? Fine. Don't look for me whenever you don't see me again.
You think running away is the best thing to do?
It's the best thing to do. See, I can't stay in this community and see you with another woman. I can't. Wait. Why are you keeping your face like that? Fine. It's okay. If you don't want to run away with me, I will go. Whenever you stop seeing me, just know I've run away from this community. Did you see her?
No.
Where could she be if she's not there?
I don't know, Mother. I've gone to Oluchi's house and she said that she hasn't seen her.
Mirima. Don't worry. I will deal with her when she comes back to this house. She will come and meet me now. This girl will not kill me. Where could she have been?
My dear, what is it? Why is your face like this? I'm looking for Mirima, my sister. I don't understand. Isn't Mirima a child? Is that why you're so worked up? Since morning she left our house. She has not come back. And no one knows where she has gone to. Don't worry. She will be fine. She's no longer a kid now. If she's not at Taka's house, where else could she be? Where she come?
Where's my daughter? Where did you keep my daughter?
Where's my sister?
Where did you keep my daughter? What is it? What is it?
I don't understand. What do you mean by where is your daughter?
My daughter left to your place. And she has not returned.
Mirima has not returned.
Yes.
Yes, we went to farm together and after working we... thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Give me. Okay, my dear, come on, let's go inside.
No. There's no need for that. I need to start going home so I can prepare something.
Hey, let me prepare something for you to eat now.
I will eat once I cook at home.
Okay, if you say so, then let me see you off.
Okay.
I have to stop here. Let me go back and look for what I will eat.
Thank you so much. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. But are you trying to tell me that we're not going to see again today?
Of course. After cooking, I can come over to your place. You can also come over to mine if you want.
No, you should be the one to come. You can Adram. I don't have strength for your mother, okay? Please.
Okay.
I have to go now.
Bye.
Bye. Bye on tomorrow. I expected her to have returned back home. Yes, because after working, we came here and she left. Even in the neck, I came asking of her and told her how everything happened.
Hey! Ha!
Please. Oh, you will just calm down.
Calm down?
Yes, calm down.
I should calm down?
Calm down, please. I believe that wherever she is safe there.
No!
Yes, nothing will happen to her. You know these children.
She has gotten it before!
So where could she be? I've gone to her maternal home. She's not there. Her friend's house. No one claims to know her whereabouts. So where could she be now? Mbaka, where's my sister?
Wait, are you saying that Mirima is not back home yet?
Yes!
Hi.
She's not home!
My sister.
Mbaka, where's my daughter? Where's my daughter? Mbaka, where's my daughter?
Oyibo, like I said earlier on. Calm down. Nothing will happen to her. Nothing will happen to her. Wherever she is safe there.
I will not calm down. Ask your son, where did you keep my daughter? Where did you keep my daughter? Where did you keep my daughter? I will shout her! I will shout her! You will give it to them! You will give it to them! I need my daughter! I want to see my daughter! No! This! I want to... No! I cannot see you! Let me! Don't hold me! I want to see... I have searched for her everywhere and I could not find her.
You have searched for her everywhere and you could not find her?
Yes, my king.
Then where else could she be?
I don't know, my king. I don't know.
This is strange. This is strange. Guards!
Yes, Your Highness.
Fetch me Mbaka immediately.
Dindo, I saw her yesterday when I went to go and get something and she said it. Where could she be? I don't know. But I'm suspecting something.
What are you suspecting?
Could it be that she ran away because of the princess threat?
You're not far from the truth.
Oh.
But if that is the case, why didn't Mbaka run away with her?
There's another question. They should have run away together.
Soba, could it be that Mbaka asked her to run away so he can join her?
You have it.
Yes.
Mbaka has some questions to answer.
Yes.
But how are we going to get our balance?
Which balance are you talking about?
Oyibo is still owing us money.
I'm trying.
Trying what?
I'm trying.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Are you done clearing the farm?
Yes, we are done.
I hope you cleared it well.
Yes.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You didn't bring us the food like you promised.
Oh, my dear. I'm so sorry. I forgot. But don't worry. I'll add it to your payment.
Okay.
I'll pay you 3,000 naira now. In poor market day, I'll balance you the rest.
Don't forget to include our feeding money.
Yes.
I just said it now. I won't eat your money. Neka, run to my room under my bed. Bring the 3,000 naira there. Be fast. Go fast now.
Yeah,
walk like a young girl.
Yes,
Don't worry, she'll soon be here.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please, ma'am, Dike, can you help us with some cassava? I want to use it and do abacha.
Yes. Oh, you can have it. Just take two.
Okay. Thank you.
You can pick two.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take yours now.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I love it so much.
Neka!
Hey! Soba, do you know that I forgot that woman is owing us?
Hey, why so fast? Me, I like money. Let me remind you. Maazi Okeke is owing us 700 naira.
Okay.
Chukuma is owing us 4,000 naira. Mama Ebube is owing us 3,000 naira. Very soon, we are going to their houses to get our money.
But we've tried though. I didn't even remember we have so much money outside.
Yes, sir.
Please, let's go and work. We need more money.
Yes, sir. Hey, you know I love money.
Oh, I didn't even know that we have so much money. Oh, let me bring that. Just start from that side, please. Let me start from
I am listening.
Igwe, the thing is that we went to my farm together. After working, she escorted me back home. We didn't even spend time because I wanted to give her food to eat. She said no, that I should see her off, that she wants to go. I said, okay, let me see you off. I saw her off and she left. And that was it.
Since then, have you seen her or heard from her?
I have not.
Oyibo, did you quarrel with your daughter before then?
No, my king.
Baka, I want you to tell the truth of your life. Do you know anything concerning the whereabouts of that young maiden?
Igwe, honestly, I do not know anything. I do not know.
Okay. Oyibo, are you trying to tell me that no one had a disagreement or quarrel in your house with her before she got missing?
I wouldn't know if there is, my king.
Good. Then go. And you can go too. But if before the next Eke market day and that young maiden do not return, you must return to this palace for further clarification. Do you understand?
Igwe.
I got more. What are you doing now? Greetings, Palace Guard of Amikwe Kingdom.
It shall be well with you. We have a new maiden. The king said I should bring her here.
You're welcome.
Thank you. My name is Amuma.
Call me Zabanda.
I'm Chijindu.
Nice to meet you, girls.
Same here. Come inside.
This girl is not inside.
What do you mean by she's not inside?
Oh, she's not inside.
Did you see her go out?
When did she go out? We've been sitting here since. Did you see her go out? Okay, let's go outside.
Ghosts of our land. Where could she be? We don't have any other door apart from this one. So,
Why are people afraid?
What game are you playing?
What do you mean game?
Mama, right?
Yes.
I came inside the house, searched everywhere for you. I didn't see you. We both entered inside and searched for you. All of a sudden, you're coming out from the same place we searched. Are you a ghost?
Some questions are left unanswered. Meanwhile, I forgot something at home. I went to bring it.
You forgot something at home. You went to bring it. True, where? Where did you follow?
And never mind. So, where were you people looking for me?
Yuroko! Yuroko! Did you see her?
No. I'm of the opinion that Mirima is known in this community.
Exactly. She ran out of this community.
Then who is after her?
I don't know.
Is this not the same girl that came to the palace in search of job earlier?
She's the one. But is she a ghost?
Look at her. She's not walking on the ground. Yuroko! 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 Wait. Look, where are you going? What do you want to do?
Amoma, there is something we would like to ask you.
What is it?
Are you a ghost?
Yes.
I'm not a ghost. Why do you ask?
Your attitude sometimes shows there is something mysterious about you.
I'm not mysterious. I'm human.
Anyway, we wanted to discuss about our work patterns with you.
What pattern?
We collect work together. Then after doing the job, we share the money. But some would prefer they do theirs alone. While some will join hands, just as I and Savannah does. So which do you prefer? Working with us or work alone?
I think I prefer working together with you girls.
Okay, it's fine. I hope you're strong. I mean hardworking. Because if you're not, we'll not accept that.
Don't mind my color. I am even more hardworking than you girls. I should be asking if you're hardworking.
Okay, sounds interesting.
And one more thing. We don't cook together. But if you want to cook, you're free to do that on your own.
Another thing, you buy your soap by yourself, your pomade by yourself, and you don't share anything because we are earning the same money.
Please. How the ma? Noted. What about that old man I saw?
Oh, he has gone out for work. we are at home today because we don't have any job at hand. Yes, so rest today.
But these work you people do, I hope they are paying well though. They are trying their best.
Yes.
Don't
worry, you will enjoy the work. It's okay. It's okay. Look at you. You've changed. You've changed. Nem, please. If you die now, it won't change anything. It will not solve this problem. Nem, Biko, no.
Let me be. It's not better I die.
No.
It's not better I die.
No, Nem, you're making me to cry. Nem, please stop.
My own daughter. My own Uma is missing. He's missing.
Nem, please. It's okay. It's okay. Even Mirima, my sister, is dead. You and I would have gotten the information before now. Nemo, Mbaka told me something.
Something in me is telling me that Uma is no longer alive. She's no longer alive.
No, don't say that, Nem. Don't say that, please. Be strong. Mbaka said that my sister told him that they should run away. Yes, Nem. That she has suggested it for over more than 3 times.
What?
Yes. But he refused to buy such idea.
Ha! Mbaka said all this?
Yes. Mbaka said all this to me.
He could not help me.
I don't know.
He could not save my daughter. No. What am I still doing? My daughter, my God. My daughter, my God, where to be
Umetala buluo, ife madu metala no wano, ujilisi yawe buluo. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Adora, how are you? Adora, please excuse me. What about your sister? Any news?
No news yet though.
Okay. We're going to buy granite. Don't worry, I have some at home. Yes, we'll manage it.
Mama, I'm not happy, mother.
Mama Mary, I greet you.
Mbaka, I called you. What did you tell Neka?
Mama Mirima, I told her that Mirima could be somewhere we don't know. Because there was a time she said something like that.
Something like what?
I want us to run away from this village.
You want us to run away from this village? I mean, this community as a whole?
Yes.
And you think that's the best thing to do?
Yes, that's the best thing to do. If we run away, we can establish ourselves, get married and give birth to children.
And after we come back, what do you think will be our fate?
We won't come back. We will stay there forever.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Why are you asking me this question? Fine. Don't look for me whenever you don't see me again.
You think running away is the best thing to do?
It's the best thing to do. See, I can't stay in this community and see you with another woman. I can't. Wait. Why are you keeping your face like that? Fine. It's okay. If you don't want to run away with me, I will go. Whenever you stop seeing me, just know I've run away from this community.
Oh! So Mirima told you all that, and you hid it to yourself?
I never knew she meant it.
Mbaka or whatever you call yourself. If I don't see my daughter today or tomorrow, I will show you the other side of me.
Mama, the thing is that I never knew she meant it, not until it happened.
Shut up and get out!
See, what I'm trying
I said get out!
Leave. Maybe you planned it.
I said get out! She told you and you kept it to yourself!
That is okay. This Mbaka, very wicked man. Mother, it's okay, please.
I cannot just imagine.
It's okay. Let's go on.
Let me be.
Okay.
I asked her and she said no news yet.
What if at the end of the day, that girl is not found?
They will do her burial, that's all.
May the cause forbid. Which girl? What happened to her?
She disappeared into thin air.
Eh? Disappeared into thin air?
Yes.
Is that even possible? What happened? My dear, it happened in this community. This Amokwe community, strange things are happening. Yes. What really happened? How did she disappear into thin air?
Just because the princess threatened she and her boyfriend. She has to run away. And her boyfriend is still here. Hey! That young man we saw on the road when we went to go and buy Gary. While coming home.
Aww. That handsome young man.
I don't understand.
Did you come here to work or to I like good things though, but the man is handsome.
The man is handsome. Let me tell you. Amokwe boys are so lazy. Tell her. They will even eat all your savings if you don't take time. And they have sweet mouths. Not only that, they are romantic too. Yes. And women of this village don't joke with romantic men.
Nebiko, I know why I'm here. I cannot even give any man my money. I would rather collect theirs. My mother is sick. She has fibroid disease and I'm actually looking for money to save her life. Is it to get any more people? Mbano.
You cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual. You cannot fast friendship, you cannot fast sweetness, cause all these things are natural. You cannot use your power to control someone's feelings. It's impossible. You cannot use your position and make someone to love you. Oh, queen, no.
She wicked. But she looks innocent.
Ha! That's Zebras. Pray that you don't enter her trap. She was the reason that girl got missing from this village.
Eh?
If I were her, I will stay and see whatever that will happen.
Me, I would do the same if I were to be in her shoes.
Eh? You run away?
Yes. I cannot live to watch my man in another woman's arm.
Me, I will not do. Nothing.
You cannot fast love. You cannot fast affection.
I'm beginning to hate that princess because of what you people told me about her.
Nne, the hatred has not started. Let me tell you one thing you don't know. She's the one ruling this kingdom.
Eh?
Yes.
How is that even possible?
Whatever she tells the king to do, that is what he does.
Yeah.
Help me tell her. And let me tell you one thing. If she tells the king that she don't want to see you in this kingdom, Nne, your own is gone.
Nne, in that case, I will make her my friend though. Getting her too much. Why are you laughing?
My dear, I love your dream. Biko, Kaiga, let's go and get that money.
I'm not going with you people, no. Eh? Let me watch the house instead.
Mokim, stand up, let's go. See, let me tell you, we're going to that handsome man's house. Eh? Yes, this is Let's go. No, stay back.
Hang on, Biko. I'm not going to play a bunch.
You cannot fast friendship. You cannot fast sweetness. Cause all these things are natural. Hey, yeah. You cannot use your power to control someone's feelings. It's impossible. Yeah. You cannot use your position and make someone to love you. Oh, queen, no, no, yeah, all I
What is it?
My mother wants me to get married.
Oh, that's a good news.
She has found a woman for me already.
Who is she?
Her name is Ishasha. From Amako Kingdom.
I see. Is she beautiful?
Yes. She's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I have never seen a woman more beautiful than she is.
Are you trying to say she is more beautiful than I am?
Yes. She's more beautiful than you are. Her eyes, her nose, her color.
I'm so sorry to interrupt, but
even her lips.
I need to start heading home now.
The way she talks turns me on. She's such a wonderful person. The few time I've spent with her, I mean, the girl is. Why are you reacting? Are you jealous of her already? But do you know what? That woman is you. Yes. You're the only woman who has ever made me to feel loved. Please be the mother of my children.
Yes, I will be the mother of your children. The only man that has ever made me smile.
I'll always be with you, no matter the circumstance.
And I'll make sure I don't change your heart towards that.
Jealousy will be for you. Jealousy, love. You nearly fainted. Mirima, where are you? You promised to take this step away from my heart. You promised to be by my side, no matter the circumstance. Where are you, the mother of my children? Hey! Hey! Eri. How can it be? No more. I can't land. Hey! Sit. Sit down. I hold 1 year. Sit. Go. Hey! Hey! Can't hold. And I tag it.
Thank you so much for bringing me into womanhood.
You're welcome.
Am I going to be pregnant?
Let the will of the gods be done. Easy chai kikita, eh? Anime.
I'm sorry.
When did you walk past me?
Sometimes, try to ignore things you shouldn't be aware of.
Yeah, Chelugodi. Are you a human being or not?
You think my answer would change a thing?
Please, next time, do not try that again with me. Don't try it again, please. Don't do it again. Don't just try. Am I dealing with a human being or a ghost? What? How come? Chimo.
Ometala bulu ya we na banono ife mmadụ metara n'ụwa.
Greetings, the royal guard of Amokwe Kingdom.
He shall be well with you.
Thank you.
The princess of Amokwe demands your presence in the palace now.
Okay. Tell her I'll be with her shortly.
Ometala bulu ya we na banono ife mmadụ metara n'ụwa ujile isi ya we bulu efi na nwere ọdụ uji ya na chunu iji.
What are you doing here?
Can I go with you?
And where do you think I'm going to?
I know the princess sent for you.
Oh, you know the princess sent for me?
Yes.
So, he sent for me, not you and I.
Can I go with you?
The princess sent for me, not you and I. Alright?
Have you been standing there for long?
A minute of your time. What a million of mine now. I must confess, you have a very nice voice.
Thank you.
Uncle Mbaka, you brought us food.
Oh yes, my mother asked me to bring the food for you people.
Hey!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dalu.
You're welcome.
Gee!
Wine.
Thank you so much.
Eat.
Dalu. Let's go and eat now. Go.
It was even tasty.
Let me go and continue with what I was doing.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Wait, you need to wash your hands first.
It's very sweet. As if you knew how hungry we were.
I like it.
Take it easy now.
I'm hungry. I like it.
Hey, here you come. They are all pulling up gradually. This son of mine, is he not noticing this thing to come and start putting them in order? Oh, by the time the rain will not increase now.
Greetings, Nne.
Greetings. What is that your name again?
Amuma.
Amuma, greetings. This one that you are here, I'm not owing you people. Or am I owing you?
No, Nne. Is Mbaka around?
Mbaka?
Yes, Nne.
Mbaka! I think, why not sit down? He will join you soon. Mbaka! Hey! Okay, actually, somebody's looking for you.
Hey! Amuma! Amuma! How are you?
I'm fine.
Unuokwa!
Ukuokwa.
Ukuokwa. Look, what do I owe this visit?
Dance.
Chilugudi. Makegu. Kisi.
I want you to dance for me. Balumegu.
Are you going to sing?
Yes, I will.
Yeah, go kwa. Let's go. I love your song. I want you to sing for me. I love that song. Really.
Thank you. So, I'm going to sing for you. But not that song.
Okay.
But you have to promise me that if I sing for you, you will dance for me.
Why not? I will dance.
My princess, calm down and think out something to do about this issue now.
Don't tell me to calm down. Because I don't know what to do. My head is so empty.
Permit me to suggest?
Speak.
My princess, I would suggest that you banish her from this community. Because a commoner and a stranger cannot come to your own community and start competing with you.
Chika, you are right. I mean, what gave her the guts? The effrontery. Did you see the way she was looking at me? She was staring at me eyeball to eyeball. As if she was ready to fight me.
The princess, bring her to this palace. Punish her and humiliate her before finally sending her out of this community. Because that's what she rightfully deserves.
And that is exactly what I will do. I will punish her. I will humiliate her. I will show her that I am the princess of Amokwe community.
My princess.
And this is my father's land. God!
I bow before you, the princess of Amokwe community.
Go to the workers' hut. Fetch me the lady called Amuma at once.
Consider it done, my princess.
That's exactly what I should do. Wish. My princess.
Chika. I will humiliate her. I will punish her. And then she will be banished from this community.
That's where she rightfully belongs. Now we are talking, my princess.
At the peak of the dance, the princess walked in. You needed to see the anger on her face.
Wait, didn't you run?
Run? I didn't run, no. I stood there looking at her eyeball to eyeball.
Amuma, you stood before the princess of Amokwe kingdom looking at her eyeball to eyeball?
Nne, I was ready for anything. I even expected that other guards of me. I was expecting her to say guards. Don't even know.
Greetings, Palace guide of Amokwe kingdom.
It shall be well with you. Amuma, so you are now too big to greet the palace guard of Amokwe community.
Deliver your message.
The princess demands your presence in the palace now.
What did I do?
I wouldn't know. I'm just a messenger. Stand up. Stand up! Let's go.
I said it. I told you the princess I know will never leave this girl unpunished. Now look at it. She should just pray to the gods to spare her life. Hey.
I bow before you, princess of Amokwe kingdom. I'm sorry for what happened, but trust me, you will never see me close to him again.
How dare you? How dare you? A commoner like you.
I'm sorry.
I will give you benefit of doubt. But the next time I will see you with Mbaka, I will bury you alive.
You cannot fast love, you cannot fast affection, because love is so spiritual. You cannot fast friendship, you cannot fast sweetness, cause all these things are natural. Yeah. You use your power to control someone's feelings. It's impossible. Yeah, you cannot use your position and make someone to love you. Oh, queen, no, no, yeah, all eyes in my eyes. Yeah, yeah, all eyes.
So you have fallen in love with her?
Me? In love with her? Me? Nwanka? May the gods of our land forbid.
But people saw you holding hands with her.
That was just formalities.
Walking in line with each other.
I said that was just formalities. If I refuse, she will punish me. Or go beyond that. Okay? I know what I am doing.
I am afraid of that girl. I don't want her to come here and punish me.
Stop bothering yourself. That girl is not the gods.
You see, I told you. I don't want her to come and punish me.
Stop worrying yourself. She will not do anything. Okay?
I beg to take my leave.
Amway. Amuma! 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 Hey. Amuma!
Chika! Ofoma! Ofoma! Chika! Ofoma! Ojadili! Ojadili! What's going? You!
Princess, what happened? I just want to happen. I can hear you now. Say something. Calm down. Let's go. I know. I can hear you.
Nothing is hidden.
You cannot agree. You cannot agree. You can. Oh my God. Give me the car.
Hey!
Give me the car.
Get! Get! You mad? Take her to her chamber immediately.
Don't drag her like that.
Hey! What happened? Arukwa. What happened now? Kihemere, what happened?
Our almighty princess is now an imbecile.
Huh? What happened to her?
I don't know. I just heard the news right now. It's all over this community, Nemo.
Eh?
Hey.
No sign of sickness. Just sudden. She became an imbecile.
Just like that. Just like that.
Are you sure?
Nem, I'm sure now.
Come on, Nem. Don't bring me to trouble.
I will not. Don't worry, you'll soon hear the news also.
What is it? Why are you standing like that? Staring at one direction. What is the problem?
Our princess has turned to an imbecile.
Amadiohai, Princess of Amokwe Kingdom, an imbecile? Hey! How did you know that?
I just got the news now.
Hey. Please, my son, do not say this to anyone. Keep it to yourself until we are very sure. Okay? Hey, this is unbelievable. What is the meaning of this? Princess of Amokwe Kingdom, imbecile?
Otumo isa. Otumo na mmadu. Manu. Igwe. The higher you go, the cooler it becomes.
Meaning? But I don't understand. What is the meaning of what you have just said?
Some questions are left unanswered.
No. You can't keep me in suspense. Oshaya? Oshaya, you cannot keep me in suspense. Talk.
I need to hear something from the gods. Talk to me.
What is it?
Hey! Our almighty princess is now an imbecile.
What? Imbecile how?
You're asking me, how am I supposed to know that? I just got the information now.
Yay.
Because of our land. This is strange.
More than strange, my sister.
Yes, my princess.
No, you are my... Oh no! What did I say?
I'm your... Oh no.
No, sit down. Sit down. You! Come here. No! You are my... Ezemo! What did I say?
I'm your Ezemo.
You are my... Ezemo! Ezemo! Sit down. No! You are my cabinet member! Elder 1! What did I say?
I'm your cabinet member, Elder 1.
Elder 1! Sit down! You! Come here! Come here! You are my cabinet member! Elder 2! What did I say? What did I say?
I'm your cabinet member.
Elder
2.
Elder 2! Sit down! And you! Come here! You are my personal guard! What did I say?
I am your personal guard.
You are my personal guard! What did I say?
I am your personal guard.
Sunday! What are you? You! What are you? Elder 1! What are you?
Cabinet member,
Elder 2! What are you?
Oh no.
What are you?
Ezemo.
Everybody say, go! Say, go!
Wait, are you making mockery of her what?
No.
Now stand up! Stand up!
Sorry, my
is wrong with you?
Yo! How dare you! Yo! I was rash you! Yo! I was rash you! How dare you! How dare you talk when you talking? Yo!
I was not talking.
Yo! I was rash you! Yo! You are running! I was rash you! You stop when you're going!
If I'm not do metal and no one chilly see away boy. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Whatever you do under the sun is on your list. There is a way to
Calm down, my princess.
If I'm not do metal and no one would you see away
God, come on! God, come here! Come here! Look over you!
God suffer our land.
God, come here! God! Come here!
Hola.
Come here, God! Look over you! Come here! I will finish you! I will finish you! Finish you! I'll finish you alive! Come here, now! I'll finish you alive! Come here! Come here! Come here! Where have you been? I've been looking for you! Where have you been? I will punish you and bring you alive! Don't do that! I'll punish you!
Whatever you do under the sun is on your list. There is a way to every single everybody, I forgive you. Run to me.
I am the eagle of American community. Everybody, run unto me. Everybody, run unto me. Unless I bury you alive.
If a madu metala no one, ujilisi ya webu.
You want to bury you alive? Go to you go. I will bury you alive. Come back here. I will come back here. I will come back here. I will bury you alive. Come back here.
If a mother metra no one, ujili see how we bully. If it Ujiana Chuno Yijio, Jay, Umebu Mobeni, Chetakwana Chingo Beni Mwanyanwo, Umetala Bulua. If a madu metala no one, ujili see how we bully. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Where were you people when my sister left the house? You chicken, where were you? I said, where were you?
I was in the kitchen. I was making food for her. I don't even know where she left.
Listen to me. If my sister is not found in the next 30 minutes, I will kill all of you. Now get out! I said get out! Get out!
If a mother metra no one, ujili see how we bully. If in a well do Ujiana Chuno Yijio, Jay, Umebu Mobeni, Chetakwana Chingo Beni Mwanyanwo, Umetala Bulua. If a madu metala no one,
my princess, are you there?
Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Have you seen her?
No, I didn't see her. Did you see her?
No. My princess.
Whatever you do,
look for her now. I don't like this you are doing. Look for somebody.
Just be searching. I'm searching now.
You're not searching.
For every sin, no.
My princess!
My princess! Umemu ombenye chetakwana chinwo benye mwanya o. Iye ometala bulu. Bulu ya we na banono. Ife madu metra no wa. Ujili si ya we bulu. Efina wala doa. Ujiana Chuno Yijio, Jay, Umebu Mobeni, Chetakwana Chingo Beni Mwanyanwo, Umetala Bulua. If a madu metala no one, ujili see how we bully. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Ojadele.
Uji.
Did you see her? No. I see her. What about you? No, I see her. Have you checked this way?
doing this to me? Why? Why?
Did you see your sister and your maid?
Yes. Yes, I saw them.
I hid you from them. Even if they pass here 200 times, they will never see you.
Why? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Why? Please, please.
By the time I am done with you, you will see the real Amoma.
Ometala bulu ya we na banono ife mmadụ metara n'ụwa ojile isi ya we bulu efi na nwere ọdụ uchi ya na chunu iji o chei omegbu nwogbenye chetakwa na chi nwogbenye mụ anya n'oyi ometala bulu ife mmadụ metala n'ụwa n'ojilisi.
May you live long, Princess Akugo.
Speak.
My princess, Princess Ola is sitting on the throne again.
She's sitting on the throne.
Not just sitting on the throne, she is playing with the throne now.
Oh, leave your ego. Leave your ego. I was very alive. I finish you. I finish you. I finish you. Leave me. I finish you now. I finish you. Oh no, I finish you. I finish you.
My princess.
Leave me. Leave me. Leave her. I finish you. I finish you.
Leave her. Leave her.
Leave your ego.
Leave her. Wait.
Yo.
Stop, you need to stop. This is our father's throne. If he comes back and see you like this, you won't be happy.
Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Where have you been? Where's Mama? Mama is inside and she has been asking of you. Where did you tell her I went to? I told her that you went to see Mbaka now. Why now? Why will you tell her a thing like that? Why? Why did you tell her? Mirima, you know you are my only sister. And I love you. I wouldn't want anything to happen to you.
I don't understand. Are you praying for bad thing to happen to me?
Nothing will happen to you because if anything happens to you, I will be alone in this world. Mirima, the princess of this community asked you to leave Mbaka for her.
Yes. She said I should stay away from Mbaka, but I can't. As long as Mbaka wants to be with me, I want to be with him as well.
You are challenging royalty by disobeying her.
I'm not disobeying the princess. She's the one looking for my trouble. Although, yes, I can't stand in front of her. I'm saying all this. But behind her, I'll be seeing my Mbaka. I can't stay away from him. I love him.
Mirima, this young man you are craving for, if anything happens to you, may the gods forbid, he will not hesitate to take another woman within 1 month interval. So, better use your tongue and count your teeth.
Nothing will happen to me.
I pray. Oh.
Nothing will happen to me. What am I going to tell Mama now?
Hey, you can sort yourself out now.
You can say anything. Who now?
Stubborn girl. Be going.
Please don't be offended for what I'm about to ask. Do you really love my sister, Mirima?
Of course, very well. I love her very well.
Have you ever told her to stay away from you, owing to what the princess said?
What did she say?
The princess of this community is making advances on you. True of us?
Yes, it's true. But I indirectly told her that it will not work.
Can you hear yourself? You told the princess of Amokwe community that her advances on you will not work. Where is the guts?
Nekasi.
Mbaka. Mirima is my beloved younger sister. And I love her so much. Please, I beg you in the name of the gods of our land to please leave my sister alone.
Look, stop worrying yourself. Nothing will happen to her. Okay?
Stop telling me that. Hey, she's not the only maiden in this community. Leave my sister for me. You will not like what will happen to you when next you come close. Amadioha will strike you. Leave my sister for me. Leave her for us. Eh? If not, Adora, Ifeoma and I will come for you. Better leave her for us.
Recording, open respect. Don't even have respect. More than suffer.
You cannot use your power to control someone's feelings.
If my sister had listened to me, all these things wouldn't have happened to her. Not up to 1 month, Baka has fallen in love with another woman. I told my sister. I told her.
This is exactly what I'm saying. Had it been my sister listening to me, did you tell her that someone got me to learn the name of the relationship?
And what's my business?
Adora, it's okay. Yes, your sister got missing. But I believe she'll be back before you know it. Stop stressing yourself.
Let's assume she will be back, as you always say. How will she feel that all the fights she fought for, how will she feel when she returns?
Hiaye. Please get out from this place. I won't have someone interrupt myself and my man. K4.
I will go. But remember, a word they say is enough for a wise.
Nah, we were saying something before we got interrupted with that spofke. So, Mama, what is it? Why are you like this? Eh?
I am not fine. And it's all because of you. Yes.
All because of me? How?
Your relationship with the ghost.
Mama, Amoma is not a ghost.
Amoma is not a ghost. Then what is she? Someone who appears and disappears is not a ghost.
Mama, that she appears and disappears does not mean that she's a ghost. Yes. I mean, anybody can disappear and appear. Just meet one little dibia or some one kind of dibia like that. he will put something inside your body and you start disappearing and appearing. It's a very simple thing.
Mbaka, I am not comfortable with that. I am not comfortable with it. Yes! Anyway, I know what to do.
And what are you going to do?
The next time I see her, I will pour her sand. By so doing, I will find out if she's a human being or a ghost.
Okay, if you want one more Danya.
Someone is appearing and disappearing, and you are saying that it's not a ghost. How can you say that someone that is appearing and disappearing is not a ghost? She's a ghost for all I care. She's a ghost. Leave her alone. Let her be. She's a ghost.
Amuma, please can I see you for a moment?
Excuse me. Okay.
This beautiful song, this young man just interrupted us.
Yes, I was actually...
Now start talking. Are you a spirit?
No,
then
I'm not.
Then what did you leave the moment my mother wants to pour sand on you?
Why do you seek desperately to know who I am?
Because your character makes me seek to know who you are.
Do not seek to know who I am henceforth, because it might not end well. Not to worry, I am a harmless woman like you.
Ah, shit. Onye.
You! I'm all of you!
Mate!
Yes, my
Take her to the back.
Eh?
Bring her up.
Quickly! My princess. Don't call my name.
Has it gone to this level? Has it come to this? Has it goes here to her? Has it become something like this? Guards, and you people are here. Act! Go take care of everyone. Move, all of you. Move, I know you. Move.
Good day, Uncle Mbaka.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, I called you out here to ask you something very important.
Okay.
Okay. Who is Amuma to you girls?
Okay, she's a co-worker.
Just a co-worker?
Yes, just a co-worker.
And that of her strange behavior, how do you explain it?
I am totally confused. The first day she came, that was the day she showed us the sign. And out of ignorance, we failed to understand it.
And what was this sign?
That day we left her in the room. After some times, she disappeared. We searched for her everywhere, but couldn't find her. We went outside, thinking she left without our notice. Guess what?
What?
After some time, she came out from that same room we've searched already. And when we asked her...
Meanwhile, I forgot something at home. I went to bring it.
So all these things happened and you girls took it for granted.
Uncle Mbaka, honestly, I am totally confused.
Now, are you going to say that you're not a spirit? Are you going to deny it? Are you going to deny that you're not a spirit?
Things of the spirit are different from things of human. Mbaka.
Hey! What are they?
Dance for me. Make me forget my sorrows.
Mbaka. Bali yegu. Yegu ndi mmono sulugede. Onyawan. Mwa Mbaka. Hey.
Follow him.
Amuma, who are you?
Mecca, you and Mama should stop wailing. Justice has been served. My death has been avenged. We shall meet to part no more.
just happened? So my sister. I saw my sister. She was standing here and talking to me. My sister. My sister.
A strange thing is about to happen in Amokwe community.
I am afraid.
You don't have to be afraid, my son. Uprightness fears no harm. As long as you are pure, my son.
Our land. Ha! Hey! Who are you? And what is your mission in Amokwe community?
I am Amoma, the goddess of light, standing in human form to avenge my death, plotted by her.
Hey!
She killed me because of her selfish interest.
Greetings, my princess. It shall be well with you. I'm sorry I kept you waiting.
My princess, it's fine.
Mirima, I summoned you here so we can talk one-on-one, woman to woman. Take this.
Wow. My princess, thank you so much.
You're welcome. I want you to take these as compensation for you to stay away from Mbaka. Yes, I'm giving you this gift so you can stay away from Mbaka, so that my conscience can be cleared.
My princess, I'm sorry. I can't stay away from Mbaka. If that's the reason you gifted me this, then I don't want it.
Because love is so spiritual. You can offer friendship, you can offer sweetness. Cause all these things are natural. You cannot use your power to control someone's feelings. It's impossible. You cannot use your position and make someone to love you.
Mirima, I have been civil to you, This will be the last time I will warn you to stay away from Mbaka. If you don't, you will not live to see the next day. I promise you that.
I'm sorry, my princess. But I still wish to let you know that I can't trade Mbaka's love for anything. With all due respect, I may not answer your call again pertaining this topic. Excuse me.
To me, please. Who sent you? What have I done? Who sent you to bury me alive?
I did.
Princess, you want to bury me because of a man?
That man is my happiness. I begged you. I pleaded with you irrespective of my status. I gave you an offer. But what did you do? You turned me down. Well, out of my magnanimity, I will give you an option right here and now. Are you ready to stay away from Mbaka? Yes or no?
No! I won't. I will not trade the love I have for Mbaka for anyone.
Bury her alive.
No, let me be!
She killed me out of jealousy. For that, she must die.
Now she has to die.
My daughter, my heart is heavy. You disappointed me. You deceived me. You committed evil. And you will face the consequences of evil deeds. I will be responsible to appease your soul. Please release her. I beg of you.
My king, from the day I stepped my foot in your community, you welcomed me with warmth. For that cause, I respect your plea, but she must die.
And I respect your opinion, goddess of light. For the sake of the gods, bring her down.
The
Excellency, why not? Both of you, and the princess, of course, must be buried alive.
One metal bulu.
For those who kill by the sword must die by the sword.
One metal bulu.
By the sword.
Metal bulu. Bulu ya we na banano. Ife madu metrano wa. Ujili si ya we bulu. Ife na welodo wa. Ujia na chunu yijio. Jay. Umegbu ngombenye chetakwa na chi ngombenye mwanya nuoi. Umetala bulu. Ife madu metala no wano. Ujili si ya we bulu. Hey, nothing is hidden under the sun. Umegbu ngombenye chetana chi ngombenye mwanya. Whatever you do under the sun is on your list too. There is a wage for every sin. Okwu naga wala wala, anya naga wala wala na fugio. Hey, umegbu ngombenye chetakwa na chi ngombenye mwanya. Umetala bulu. Bulu ya we na banano. Ife madu metrano wa. Ujili si ya we bulu. Ife na welodo wa. Ujia na chunu yijio. Jay. Umegbu ngombenye chetakwa na chi ngombenye mwanya nuoi. Umetala bulu. Yeah.